everyone, this is Shikha from Surreal Grapevine and welcome to my channel. Today I have a very special video for you. I am doing my first YouTube tag video. Big shout out to Magali, thanks girl for tagging me for this. The first question is, what are you wearing? I'm wearing this sequins top from a brand called Only, and I have paired it with a crochet jacket, again from the same brand. And with that I have just worn these simple bangles and this pair of earrings that I got for my birthday recently. My friend Dolan gifted them to me. Next question is, ever been in love? Yes, couple of times. Love, infatuation, crushes, couple of times. You will know why in a question that's following. Ever had a terrible breakup? Yes. Many times, and multiple times with the same person also. Don't ask me. How tall are you? I am 5 feet 2 inches tall. How much do you weigh? Any tattoos? No tattoos. I'm actually quite afraid of the needle. I even don't freaking get my blood test done. So question of getting a tattoo is like unthinkable. But I would really would want to get one. You know, probably something on my neck, and probably like a butterfly here. You know, with the wine twining down. But not gonna happen. Any piercings? Yes. Just these, one on each ear. Again, that's all that I could manage. OTP, one true pairing. For me, it has to be rains and spicy, hot Chinese food. Well, it's not like the typical Chinese food kinds, but it's more like, you know, our Indo-Chinese food. Yeah? I will just crave it madly whenever it starts raining. I don't know. That's like one true pairing. Favorite show? Oh, I have so many. Bones, Castle, Sherlock, Suits, Supernatural, Scandal, New Girl, Big Bang Theory, Anger Management. I could just keep going on and on. Favorite bands? Do you have favorite bands? Oh yeah, no, I do. Maroon 5, Linkin Park, and way back in the day, Backstreet Boys, NSYNC, and Savage Garden. That's a duo, right? But yeah, whatever. Something you miss. I miss being thin, or the weight that I was when I was in school. I used to feel that I was fat back then, but I would cut off my arm, my leg, whatever to be that weight again now, really. And I miss my time in Delhi. Those were some beautiful years. I miss that. Favorite song? Again, favorite song, it's a tie right now between a song called Sail by AOL Nation and One More Night by Maroon 5. I just listen to them on repeat. I love both these songs. How old are you? This August I turned 33 years old. I don't mind telling my age because hey, what my funda is, right, if I look older, which a lot of people tell me that I look a lot older, so I'm like, okay, no, I'm not that old, I am just so many years old, you know. And something which has been happening with me recently, and I find it totally berserk, is that people actually don't think that I am as old as I say that I am. They think that I'm in my late 20s, and I'm like, no. So I'm like, you know, I can have the thing that, you know, I'm well maintained. I find that very weird when they tell me, no, you're probably 27, 28. I'm like, no, I'm 33. And they're like, yeah, really? I'm like, yes. Okay, zodiac sign. I'm a true blood Leo. Yes. Proper Leo. Quality you look for in a partner. I would have to say integrity, Loyalty and dependability. If I cannot depend on that guy for probably even like a mundane thing, I really don't have a need for a partner. Favorite quote. Variety is the spice of life. Now you know why I refer to question number 2 now. Favorite actor. Ooh. Benedict Cumberbatch. I can drown in his eyes and voice. Snap. Favorite color. It has always been black, but these days I like all colors. I don't have, probably except for brown, I'm not very averse to any color. I even like freaking orange and yellow, which at one point I would be like, totally ew with. So, go figure. Loud music or soft? Totally loud music. On probably a very rare, weird occasion do I listen to a soft music, because they totally 90%, 99% of the time they put me to sleep. I need something with a beat, something that can get you moving. Any day. Where do you go when you're sad? I come to my room, lock the door, close the world outside, put on some music, preferably Enigma, and just let my emotions go. How long does it take you to shower? That totally depends. If I have to wash my hair, it will take me anywhere from 30 to 40 minutes. But if I just have to take a quick shower, I can be done in 10 minutes max. How long does it take you to get ready in the morning? Again, it depends. If I have to meet my friends, hang out with people, it will take me 30 minutes to 45 minutes. But if I have to just quickly rush out for some work or shopping or whatever, it will take me 10 minutes max, 10-15 minutes max. Ever been in a physical fight? Probably some roughing up with my sisters way back in the day, but physical fight? I have a very nice story to go along with this thing. I used to learn karate when I was younger. I was probably 13-14 years old, and with my 2 younger sisters, we had an instructor who would come home and teach us. So we had learned everything, the exercises, flexibility, and the katas and all that sort of stuff. So the time came eventually that we had to go and give our green belt exam. So before that, our instructor had to give us training for combat, because there's a round where you have to fight another person. So now I was I was all super confident and stuff, and I was hey, I'm a Jackie Chan fan. I'm I've got this shit down, I can kick your ass, and I was all freaked up, confident of that cocky teen year confidence that you have. And we engaged in combat. So I'm trying to land a punch at the guy, and he's deflecting my hand. And for me, I have never been hit. I've never been in a physical fight, so it was unthinkable. I was what the heck is happening? Why am I getting hurt? I actually started crying. I'm trying to hit him like that, and I'm crying. It was the weirdest thing ever, and probably we resorted to something like that in the end. I was so freaking frustrated, and then my trainer is I don't think you guys are ready right now for this. Why don't we just go back to doing what we were? Needless to say, those classes were probably cut short after some time. I don't remember why, but yeah. Turn on. Oh, gorgeous pair of eyes, especially a color other than brown, probably a blue or something, or green. Intelligence and a nice sense of humor. Not as degrading, putting somebody or something down, kind of a nice, sweet sense of humor, an intellectual sense of humor. Turn on. Arrogance and stupidity. And arrogance plus stupidity. Worst thing ever. The reason I joined YouTube, for me it was a natural progression, from blogging, being, doing all sorts of things associated with blogging. I felt it's the next natural step to take. So, fears. I hate lizards. I'm not scared of them, but I just hate them. I like icky. And apart from that, I would say losing my loved ones, especially my dogs. Last time you cried. I don't cry very easily. I really don't remember. Probably a couple of months back, I had a really bad fight with my mom. That was probably the last time I cried. I don't cry easily. Last time you said you loved someone. Ooh, this morning to Mickey. Meaning behind your YouTube name. It's the same name as my blog, Sorrel Grapevine. Last book you read. Okay, right now I'm like in a totally like a romance novel phase. I get these different phases, where I'm reading these different genres. Or usually like, I'm inhaling books by the same author. So I read a book called One Touch of Scandal by Liz Carlyle. So right now she's my favorite author, and I'm trying to find books by her and just go nuts. The book you're currently reading, I just finished One Touch of Scandal, so I'll be picking up another Liz Carlyle book soon. Last show you watched? Last show I watched would have to be Anger Management. I love that. Last person you talked to? My parents in the morning. The relationship between you and the person you last texted. I texted my teacher cum friend this morning with respect to a class presentation. Favorite food? Chinese, Indo-Chinese and Lebanese. Love it. And desserts. And South Indian. Place you want to visit? I want to see this entire freaking world. Length, breadth, top, down, whatever. I want to see the world. You name it, I want to see it. Last place you were? Last place I was, we were flown down, like a group of us bloggers were flown down to Pune to visit the Four Seasons vineyard over there. Beautiful 2-day 1-night trip. Amazing experience. So much fun. Last time you kissed someone? Miku in the morning. Last time you were insulted? I don't take insults very easily and I don't really bother. No idea. Favorite flavor of sweet? Oh, chocolate. Chocolate, hazelnut, strawberry and blueberry. What instrument do you play? I used to fiddle with the keyboard donkey years back. I could play a couple of songs on that, and I learned a song or two on the guitar. I hate taking classes for it. I want to play like that, like I'm like a professional or something. I would really like to learn the violin, but I find it the most boring thing to go and take the class, learn the chords and blah blah. I don't have the patience for it. Favorite piece of jewelry? Hands down, rings followed by necklaces. Last sport you played? I don't play sports. When I was in school, when I was younger, I was a chubby kid, obviously. So invariably, I don't know why the games teacher would think I would, because I'm fat, apparently I have super woman strength. They would want me to pitch the shot put, throw the javelin, and yeah, it would be like, whee! So I don't know what stupid sense is that? I don't know. Last song you sang? Invariably, I don't usually sing, I have a bad voice, but invariably if I do break out singing, it would be always, it is I Believe I Can Fly by R. Kelly. I love that, especially that chorus part. Favorite chat-up line? Hey, how you doing? In case that was a very bad impression, that was Joey from Friends. I love that. How you doing? Have you ever used it? Oh, all the time. Strangers, friends, people, whatever. Last time you hung out with anybody? Last week I went out with my girls, Dolan and Purna. We had a very nice lunch and celebrated my birthday. Who should answer these questions next? Alright. Purna from Presented by P, Diptima from Beauty Unleashed with Diptima, Ankita from Coralista, Ritu from the Indian Beauty blog, and anybody who wants to take up this lovely tag. Do let me know guys when you've done this tag video. I would love to check it out. And oh yes, Shania from Saint and the Sinner. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching this huge video, and please do rate, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Take care.